Hi, my name is Raquel de Antonio, and I'm the co-founder of Sargassum EcoLumber. At our company, we're trying to solve three major environmental challenges: the sargassum inundation that is affecting coastal areas worldwide, deforestation, and the plastic crisis. And the way we're doing this is by creating a sustainable alternative to lumber that it can be used in the construction industry. Seaworthy has been transformative for us. It has helped us in so many ways. I cannot just say one. They have helped us to complete our market validation, our value proposition. And well, right now we feel more confident to stand in front of an investor and to show them that we're capable and we have a good solution. One of the highlights of the experience is being in touch with a valuable team that is into the blue tech space, and they know and they have a network of mentors that are very, very valuable for us for our startup in our stage. One word I would use to describe the Seaworthy Collective is being transformative for us.